Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the Apple ID email or phone in front of you. This is essential to start recovery. Next, check for a trusted device or phone number logged into that Apple ID because Apple sends codes there. If you have a recovery key, keep it nearby. Once done, connect over a secure network. Make sure you're not on public Wi-Fi so codes and account prompts remain private and reliable. Go to iForget, Apple.com and enter the Apple ID. This triggers the recovery flow. That's the official reset path. If two-factor is active, you'll be prompted to send a verification code to a trusted device or phone. Retrieve and enter that code quickly. If you don't have access to trusted devices, choose Account Recovery and provide the requested info. This can take days but preserves account security. Make sure to read each prompt. It guides you through the correct method based on your settings. After verification, set a strong new password. Use long, unique phrases and avoid reusing old ones. Once changed, sign back into all devices and services. Make sure iCloud Sync completes. Enable two-factor authentication and store the recovery key securely offline. If something goes wrong, for example, no trusted devices or recovery fails, contact Apple support and be ready to prove ownership with device serial numbers or purchase receipts. This speeds up manual account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.